a lot of amateur golfers who slice it, everything starts right in their takeaway.
Right.
So they get inside, the face gets open, and the reaction is to come over the top. So
Right.
here we're gonna change that loop completely where
Just reverse it.
reverse it.
All right, Amy, we've got our alignment disc light here. I love this thing because to me, I can actually say and be truthful when I say you can fix your slice in one swing.
Yep.
Now, you can only do that if you actually perform the
Yep.
exercise, but
Yep.
so this is, what's cool about this light disc is this is just a foam rod. The whole thing weighs only a couple ounces, so if you hit it, it's not a problem at all.
No big deal.
So now I can put it right on the target line. The base is right on the target line, and I'm going to say, okay, you're coming over the top. Don't do it. Go the other way. Go over and under.
Yep. Like we talked about, a lot of amateur golfers who slice it, everything starts right in their takeaway.
Right.
So they get inside, the face gets open, and the reaction is to come over the top. So here we're gonna change that loop completely where
Just reverse it.
where we feel like we're going more straight down the target line, get up, and feel like we can come from the inside a little bit and slot it a little bit better.
All right, let's see it. See the left curve on that one?
Definitely a draw.
Definitely a draw. Now do it again for me, but this time hit the rod.
Okay. That wasn't a bad shot though.
Still got a draw on it. And
it works even when it doesn't work.
she's fine and it's fine. That's why it's designed this way. So you don't have to be nervous when you're practicing. If you hit it, you hit it. But go over, under, fix a slice, one swing when you do that.